Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the SoFi app. SoFi is a personal finance company that offers a variety of financial products and services, including banking, investing, and lending. I've been using the SoFi app for a while now, and I've found it to be a really helpful tool for managing my finances. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the app and show you how to download it and get started. What is SoFi? SoFi is a personal finance company that offers a variety of financial products and services, including banking, investing, lending, credit cards, insurance. SoFi is a great option for people who are looking for a one-stop shop for their financial needs. The company offers a wide range of products and services, so you can find something that meets your specific needs. How to download the SoFi app. Downloading the SoFi app is easy. Here are the steps. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for SoFi. Download the app. Once the app is installed, open it. Sign up for a new account. Once you're signed up, you can start using the app. How to use the SoFi app. The SoFi app is very user-friendly. Once you're signed up, you can easily navigate through the app and find the features that you need. Here are some of the key features of the SoFi app. Dashboard. The dashboard is your home base. It gives you an overview of your finances, including your account balances, recent transactions, and upcoming bills. Banking. The banking section of the app allows you to manage your bank accounts, transfer money, and pay bills. Investing. The investing section of the app allows you to invest in stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Lending. The lending section of the app allows you to apply for personal loans and student loans. Credit cards. The credit cards section of the app allows you to manage your credit cards and track your spending. Insurance. The insurance section of the app allows you to get quotes for car insurance, home insurance, and life insurance. Benefits of using the SoFi app. There are many benefits to using the SoFi app. Here are a few of the highlights. All-in-one platform. SoFi offers a wide range of financial products and services, so you can manage all of your finances in one place. User-friendly interface. The SoFi app is very easy to use, even for people who are not tech-savvy. Low fees. SoFi offers low fees on many of its products and services. Excellent customer service. SoFi has a team of dedicated customer service representatives who are always ready to help. I highly recommend the SoFi app to anyone who is looking for a comprehensive and user-friendly financial app. SoFi offers a wide range of products and services, so you can find something that meets your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.